Hello everyone. Welcome back to Code Dev Pay Academy. In our previous lesson, we explored how to enhance documents using shapes, images, and tables. Now, we're moving on to another important aspect of document formatting: headers, footers, and the table of contents. Headers and footers. What are headers and footers? A header is the section at the top of a page, while a footer is the section at the bottom. They typically contain elements like document titles, author names, page numbers, dates or company logos. Each and every document contains header and footer areas, but they are only visible when they contain information. In multi-page documents, headers and footers will appear on every page. This is useful for information such as page numbering. Let's look at how we can insert headers and footers in our document. Click on the Insert tab, then click on Header in the Header and Footer group to display the header gallery. Select any of the headers from the pop-up menu, example blank. Double-click outside the header on a blank part of the document or press Escape on the keyboard. Exit the header. Repeat the same steps to insert a footer, selecting Footer this time from the Header and Footer group. After inserting a header or footer, you can activate it by double-clicking on the header area, or click on the Insert tab, then click on Header in the Header and Footer group and select Edit Header. Editing headers and footers. There are times that you will need to edit headers and footers in a document. These can be important information such as date, name of an author, title of a chapter, etc. After editing the header and footer, the text can be formatted to suit the requirements of the document. The appropriate formatting techniques discussed previously can be applied to format the text in the header and footer. Okay, let's move on to the table of contents, an absolute game changer for longer documents. A table of contents is just like the list of chapters at the beginning of a book. It lists each section in the document and the page number where that section begins. But here's the catch: it works best when you use words built-in heading styles. So, before we create one, let's prep our document. Highlight a section title, like Introduction, and go to the Home tab. In the Styles group, pick Heading 1. For subheadings, use Heading 2 or Heading 3. Keep doing this for all your main sections. These styles tell Word what to include in your table of contents and how to organize it. Before we insert the table of contents, let's insert a blank page. Put the cursor where you want to add the table of contents. Click on the References tab, then click on the Table of Contents command. You'll see some automatic options. Pick one, like Automatic Table 1, and boom! Word generates a table based on your headings, complete with page numbers. If you update your document later, like adding new sections, just click the table and hit Update Table to refresh it. Choose Update Entire Table to catch all changes. It's that simple. Here's a pro tip: headers, footers, and tables of contents aren't just functional, they make your work look polished. Experiment with fonts and spacing in headers, or tweak the table of contents style by clicking Custom Table of Contents in the menu. You've got tons of flexibility to match your vibe. By mastering headers, footers, and the table of contents, you can create structured, easy-to-read documents. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.